Okay, well, I kind of like this log because we were going to use it in the back of the house in one of the kids' bedrooms because it has this nice um, shelf area sort of built into it where it had a, I don't know, maybe it got struck by lightning or something, but now we're coming down to looking for an RPSL, and I kind of like it. So you can see it'll be sitting, that crevice will be sitting right at 14 feet, so it'll be above at 10 feet we'll have the girder support log. So, and then right way out there where the tape measure is will be 26 feet, so that'll be the top. So this little crevice will be like just a few feet above the second floor, and I think it'd be kind of cool to have a, I don't know, maybe we'll put a light in it or something someday, but anyway, so I think I'm going to use this one as the middle ridgepole support log. Meanwhile, this nice straight 55-foot long beauty that has hardly any taper is going to be our girder log that'll go, this will hold up the second floor, so we have to cut a hole in the side of the house and stuff it in from one side and then pull it through the other, halfway between the, well, right between the first and second floor, so halfway up. And we're just finalizing the last few things, and you can see the cabin clear over there in the background, and it is waiting right now for rafters.